Hi everyone, welcome to the SMT TV channel. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell on the right side to get a notification as and when I have the latest video. Show me some love, please like, subscribe and click the bell video. See you inside the channel. Hi, today I want to talk about REITs again. I want to talk about what are the things to look at when you are investing in REITs. Okay, so what are the things that you must invest in REITs? Okay, number one is when you are looking at REITs, you want to look at the yield. Okay, what is the yield? How much DPU? Okay, how much distribution per unit they are giving to you? How much yearly? How much percentage are you receiving from them? Okay, that's the first thing you need to consider when investing in the REITs. Okay, but this is not the most important. If you use this as the most important criteria, it may be not good for you. Okay, because some people feel that the higher percentage, the better. Okay, sometimes it's not true. Let me share with you why is it not true. Okay, the yield is usually how they calculate yield is based on the percentage returns. Okay, divided by the price of the share. Okay, the price of the share. So sometimes when the price of the share keep going down, then your yield actually goes up. Your yield actually goes up. So sometimes it's not because they are getting more returns, okay, more rental income, but because the price actually dropped. That's why your yield go up. Okay, and there might be a reason why the REITs actually drop in price. Okay, that's the first thing you look at when you look into investing in REITs. The second thing you look at is the leverage. Okay, so what do you mean by leverage? You see, most or all REITs, right, they use leverage. They will borrow money from the bank to invest in property. So if a REIT is very highly leveraged, they may give you very high yield, but because they are very highly leveraged, they are dependent on the bank interest. So when the bank interest goes up, okay, bank interest goes up, your distribution per unit or yield actually goes down. Okay, so and it will affect you more if you borrow more money from the bank. Make sense or not? If you, let's say, less leverage, okay, and the bank you need to pay lesser to the bank. Okay, so the second part, how much leverage is using? Of course, everything being equal, you prefer it not to be so highly leveraged, not so highly geared in terms of your REITs. Okay. Number three, you want to look at the portfolio. What is the portfolio of stocks? Okay, what is the portfolio of real estate? Okay, so when you will be investing in shopping centers, okay, like a Capital Mall, investing in shopping centers, or you can be investing in data centers, like you have a couple data center REIT now that invest in data centers or servers and things like that. Or you can be investing in commercial, so there are different phases of commercial and things like different types of property. So you need to identify what kind of property they are investing in and what is the quality of their portfolio. Of course, we have, if let's say Capital Mall, it will be a very nice looking shopping center compared to another, maybe a second tier shopping center. So their portfolio become important. And second thing is also in portfolio is their lease. That means when they are investing in this property, their tenant, how long is their lease or when is their lease going to expire? So if you have a lot of people who are renting and a lot of them is going to expire very soon, okay, and they may not continue the lease, then it becomes more dangerous for your portfolio. Okay. Another thing is whether the portfolio is dependent on one big tenant. Okay, so if your whole your portfolio of property, if it's dependent on one very big tenant, and if the tenant pull out, it may affect your yield again. Okay, so these are the things you must take a look at when you are investing for the in REITs also. So number four is also currency exchange, because some of them are not priced in Sing dollar. Some of them are priced in US dollars, in other currency. Okay, and some of REITs maybe even in overseas, like Indonesia, we have Lipo Trust and things like that. So this currency become a big factor in when you're investing in REITs. Is there a currency risk? Okay, is there a currency risk for your investment? Okay, so these are actually important things you need to look into also. And the last one is, of course, the manager. Okay, who is the manager of this REIT? REITs, okay, of course there are good managers and not so good managers. A good manager is one that can add value to the existing property. Okay, that means, let's say, example, the capital more, they not only buy the property, but they will improve the state of the property. They will add on more space for rental. They will make the property nicer so that they can get higher rental income. Okay, versus maybe one that is not so good. You follow what I'm saying? So the manager actually is also important when you're investing in REITs. Okay, so these are some of the criteria that you need to look at when you are investing in REITs, and I hope it's useful for you. See you in the next video. So, if you don't want to miss another one of our trading video, remember to ring that bell.